If you are holding cryptocurrencies, you need to watch this very important video where we are discussing the current market and where things are headed, because things are very volatile. Things are getting really crazy, and we need to understand if we are going to be going lower, if we are going to be going higher, what the heck is happening and where are we headed. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these daily time-sensitive videos about cryptocurrencies. And if you would, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, as these videos are for free. I put a lot of hard work, time, and effort into them. And let me know in the comments below your favorite cryptocurrency below. Let me know what is your favorite cryptocurrency in the comments below. Now, diving straight into the video, what we have been witnessing today is there has been a lot of volatility. This morning, cryptos were very green. They were very green until about 10 a.m. where literally in the matter of 2 minutes, cryptocurrencies dropped 3%. I was watching this. I was looking to take profits and it dropped so fast I wasn't even able to take profits. Cryptocurrencies had dropped really fast today, and a lot of it had to do with today in the stock market. There's a lot of earnings. There's a lot of earnings that are happening. This unfortunately is causing FUD and fear in the crypto market as well. So that's why we are seeing a lot of volatility. But what's very interesting is we did bounce up again to test that resistance level. We came back down, and then as we noticed, the lows are getting higher. So if we actually zoom out, Bitcoin has recovered all the way from $37,500, and we are beginning to move up. As we know, we have to pay attention to the Bitcoin chart to see where the rest of the crypto market is headed, because everything moves off of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has recovered to a degree, and from the bottom to the top, Bitcoin had recovered about 5%. So in the last couple of days, Bitcoin has recovered, and as it appears, Bitcoin is forming in this very small time zone. This is the 5-minute time frame. Bitcoin is slowly recovering, and we are forming this ascending triangle pattern. So I personally think the market is overall very bearish. It is very bearish in my opinion, but Bitcoin could have a little bit of a recovery, could have a little bit of a bounce from here before we continue to head down. But me personally, I am expecting a very big move in the crypto market, because if we zoom out, if we look at Bitcoin, look at this. Bitcoin has been respecting this red box. Look at this red box here. Bitcoin, let me go ahead and take off some of these resistance and support levels. Bitcoin has been respecting this pattern very faithfully, and we are now at the bottom of the pattern, which, as history has shown us, usually should mean that Bitcoin should actually be bouncing up and moving to $50,000. I am expecting Bitcoin to continue to trade within this pattern here, and Bitcoin to respect the resistance and support. And this red line here on the bottom, which is our current support of about 37,600, 37,500, around that range is our current ascending support level. I believe Bitcoin is going to respect it, but we could, of course, in a bearish scenario, a bearish case scenario, come down, break below it, and receive a breakout to push us down to that next level of support of about 34,000, 35,000, 36,000. We have a whole bunch of support levels obviously under that. But I am personally expecting and waiting for Bitcoin to make somewhat of a big, decent move all the way back up close to $48,000 to $50,000. And that means that Bitcoin will be attempting to break out into a bull run. If Bitcoin does break outside of this box to the top side, which obviously, we are very bearish right now, might not be the case. But if Bitcoin does do that within 30 days, Bitcoin will be attempting to most likely test the all-time highs again soon after. So that is the move that all the traders are looking for, that everyone is looking for this year. And I believe that we are very close to the bottom of the market, because I'm just taking a look at how Bitcoin has been respecting this pattern all the way since January. So Bitcoin is due for a bounce, as we are really, really close to this red line here. Bitcoin is oversold, of course, as all the indicators are letting us know. And I think that it is time for us to be bouncing up even this evening. We are seeing Bitcoin up about 3%. Doesn't necessarily mean anything. But I mean, if we do look at the charts, as I just showed you all, Bitcoin might actually be looking like it's going to attempt to try to break out of this small little range, which might end up bouncing up further and maybe confirming the bigger bounce overall. So that is what I'm looking for as a trader and investor in the market currently. And of course, I'm an optimistic person, so I'm always looking for the better scenario. But of course, we do have to be completely aware of the bearish case scenarios at all times, so that we know how to plan accordingly when to sell. And all of that I do in the Patreon, where I tell you when to buy and to sell, especially tier 3, You can follow all of my exact trades as a crypto day trader. Even at MYLESGinvestments.com, you can not only get access to the trade alerts, which are on Patreon. All of these links will be in my top pinned comment or my video description, but you will be able to actually watch a free crypto email course. I highly recommend checking it out. And I also have my full crypto trading and investing course that teaches you all of my secrets, including technical analysis, which can really be a great investment for you in the current market. Now that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying into this very point. I really appreciate your support. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you've got at least one thing out of this video. Share this video with a friend or family member below the comment section, and I will see you all later.